Good evening, Abhinav.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Join everyone. Starting in 1 minute. All right, we can start now. So I think everyone has joined. Let's start with magnetic effects of electric current. So in the last class, we had done Maxwell rule, right? Did we do the Maxwell rule? Maxwell right hand thumb rule? Yeah, good evening, Ishaq Puria. Okay, let's do. Am I audible to everyone? Sumukh? Sumukh, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So just check that in the last class we have done about Maxwell right hand thumb rule. This rule is also called as corkscrew rule. Oh, sorry. Today we have to do chemistry. All right. We have to
Yes,
finish
sir.
carbon.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Thank you for. I just record. So in chemistry we were doing carbon and compounds, and we had done nomenclature of functional groups or nomenclature of hydrocarbons with functional group. Nomenclature of functional groups. Okay. So let's quickly see what were the different functional groups. So here we write the name of the functional group, and on the other side we'll be writing their formula. So all right. So for the functional group, the first functional group that we saw was halogens. So what are halogens?
Sir, other elements such as fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and
All right.
iodine.
Okay, so the elements that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, they are called as halogens. All right. How they are named?
Fluoro, iodo.
Yeah, they are named by attaching the word hello, prefixing the word hello. We prefix the word hello, not suffix. We prefix the word hello. Like chloro, fluoro, bromo, iodo, those are the words which we attach over here. So we use fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. These are the halogens. Then after halogens, we have done the functional group that is hydroxy group. Okay. So what is the common name for the hydroxy group? They are also called as hydroxy group is also called as,
Alcohol.
yeah, they are also called as alcohols. And so to the hydroxy group, we also call as alcohols. They have their function group like OH. Here they are like X. They are OH. So how they are named? How they are named? How are the hydroxy groups named? Aryan, how do we name the hydroxy groups?
Sir, with the suffix ol, sir.
Ol, yeah. So they are named as alkanol. Alright, we remove the E and we add OL, so that becomes alkanol. They are hydroxy group alcohols. So here we can write OH. Okay, can you give examples of this? Sudhanshu will example. Sudhanshu, can you give examples of alcohols? Sudhanshu? Rijwana, can you give examples of alcohols?
Sir, methane alcohol,
Which one? Yeah, and repeat which alcohol you are talking.
methane alcohol,
It's not methane alcohol, it's methanol.
Methanol.
Yeah, it is methanol. Okay, what is the formula of methanol? What is the formula of methanol?
CH or
Hmm?
OH.
C,
CH3OH.
yeah, it is CH3OH. We have CH3OH as the methanol. And ethanol, what is ethanol? Formula of ethanol.
Sir, C2H5OH.
Yeah, C2H5OH. So we write it C2H5OH, or we can also write it as CH3CH2OH. Also write CH3CH2OH. Or I told you, you can also write C2H6O. That is also correct. So all these are the formulas and the methods of writing it. There are other methods also which you learn. Bond line methods. Okay. So this is ethanol. Okay. The next we learned was, after third we had the next one, aldehydes. We have aldehydes. All right. So what was the general formula of aldehydes? Yes, general formula of aldehydes, or how they are represented. So they are represented as CHO group. With the bond, they are shown like this: C double bond O and H on the other side. So this is CHO group, which is aldehydes. Here it can be hydrogen or any other carbon can be over there at the chain. So this is an aldehyde. You can write it as an examples. You can write HCHO. You can write HCHO, which is methanol. You can write CH3CHO. So what will be the name of this CH3CHO?
Sir, ethanol.
Ethanol. All of you draw the structure of ethanol. Draw the structural diagram for ethanol and show. Draw the structural diagram for ethanol. Okay, draw.
Sir,
Yeah. Yes, done. Are you showing?
yes, sir.
Just 1 minute. I'm not able to see it. Just 1 minute. Let me stop share and then I'll be able to. All right. No, that's incorrect. That's incorrect. How can hydrogen form two bonds? Hydrogen can form only one bond. Okay.
Sir,
I'll
one
just
more.
okay. Just Sumuk. Mm, no, Aryan, it's incorrect. Just let me check for Sumuk. Yeah, Sumuk. On the first carbon, there are no. It's incorrect. Sumuk. See, the valency of the first carbon is not satisfied. First carbon should be making four bonds. All the carbons should be making four bonds. Anyone else who has done? Okay, very good. Sumuk and Aryan, at least they showed. So see how to make this. It's CH3. So the first carbon will have three hydrogen bonds like this.
You did share the screen.
CH3. The other bond will be formed with the other carbon, and this carbon will have the same functional group as shown over here by the diagram. So it will be C double bond O and H,
Sir,
which
you
is,
did share the screen, sir.
oh sorry, I'm just 1 minute. आ जाएगा संजीत मंगा दिखा ये मंगा दिखा कपड़ा उससे तुमने जल्दी मंगा दो जल्दी मंगा दो all right, so see,
Sir,
did you
why?
say this?
Sir, why
Hmm?
is the second C sharing two bonds with oxygen?
Since oxygen can form two bonds, okay, so this carbon will be making, they see it has made four bonds, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The valency of oxygen is satisfied with two bonds only, and that
Okay,
is
sir.
why I'm making the structure over here. See the structure that I made before here. Is it the same? C double bond O and H.
Yes, sir.
So it's same over here. C double bond O H. That's why it's CHO group. They are aldehydes. Okay. Now try to make propanol also. Make the structure for propanol also.
Sir, can you see mine?
Okay. And also write the name. Abhinav. Abhinav is showing? Who is showing? Yeah, Abhinav. All right. Yes, one minute.
Correct.
CH3, CH2, CHO. Yeah, it's correct. Propanol. All right, Abhinav, it's correct. Anyone else who is showing? Okay, so I will show it. Huria Ishak, I will show. Just 1 minute. I'll show them. Anyone else who is showing?
Sir,
All
1
right.
minute, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
I think, yeah, it's Arya. Okay, just 1 minute, Arya. Yeah, CH3. No, your oxygen is making
Sir.
single bond.
Yes, sir.
Oxygen needs to make a double bond. Okay, and then count the bonds. Show it. Yeah, now it's correct. Okay, CH3, CH2, CHO. It's correct. Hmm. Okay, anyone else? See, you will learn it once you draw. If you don't draw, you won't be able to learn it. Just by looking at it, you won't be able to learn. Okay, so all those who have drawn,
Sir.
please show. Yes. Yeah, just tell your name so that I'll be able to quickly access your ID.
Sir Sumukh.
Yeah, Sumukh, all right. I'm just making it. Sumukh, just 1 minute, Sumukh. Okay. CH3, CH2. Okay, Sumukh, for the last carbon, count the number of bonds that you have made. Okay. Isn't the number of bonds 5? See?
Yes,
Sumukh?
sir.
Yeah, so there are 5 bonds. So and if you count down, the number of hydrogen is also greater. So remove one of the hydrogen from the last carbon. Yeah, now it's okay. Yeah, now it's okay. All right. Anyone else? Okay, let me show you then solution here.
sir, are you sharing screen, sir?
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen now.
Okay,
So I hope it's visible. So see, these are the ones which we have to look for.
sir, I'm writing the last point, sir.
So this is HCHO, HC double bond OH. So HCHO, methanol. Check it. Ethanol we have already made. CH3CHO, CH3CH2 CHO will be made like this. Carbon having 3 hydrogen bonds. Then carbon having 2 hydrogen bonds. Then the next carbon, double bond with oxygen, one single bond with hydrogen. This is CHO group. This is CHO.
Sir, how to nothing, sir.
Got it? So see, count the bonds. Before just see, count whether the carbon atoms are correct. So there are 3 carbon atoms. There are 3, 2, 5, and 6 hydrogen atoms. All right, which is the same as this. So 3, 2, 5, and 1, 6. 6 hydrogen atoms. And now you count all the bonds for each carbon. So the first carbon has 4 bonds, second carbon has 4 bonds, and the last carbon also has 4 bonds. All right, 2, 1, 3, and 4. So it's the 4 carbon. Now it's correct. All right, the next is the ketone. I hope this is everyone has got it. Write the name propanol. Okay. The next one is we are doing ketones. So ketones, they are like this. Okay, see ketones. They have a general form or the functional group of the ketones is here. It's C double bond O bond. This is what you have ketones. The ketones, they are named as alkanon. To name them, we use alkanon, and it is necessary for a ketone to have carbon atoms on both the sides. So on both sides of this carbon, there should be a carbon atom only. Then only it's a ketone. So if you have like this C double bond O, here carbon, so now it's a ketone. Now see, the valency for the central carbon has already been satisfied. Okay. We just need to check the valency of the other carbon. Okay. So for this carbon, we will be making 3 hydrogen atoms. So now its valency is satisfied. See, 4 bonds. One bond was already there. We have created 3 other bonds. So this valency is satisfied. Similarly, we satisfy the valency of the first carbon by attaching 3 hydrogen atoms. Alright. So you can attach the hydrogen atoms on your own. Now check the formula. It is CH3 COCH3, and the name of this is, there are 3 carbon atoms in the parent chain, so its parent name has to be prop, and there are all single bonds, so it's propane. You remove the terminal E and write its name as propanol. Correct. All of you try to make this propanol and then make the butanol. After making propanol, make butanol.
So we are supposed to make propanol, right?
First make propanol and then make butanol.
Sir,
Yes,
Sir, is this propanol?
completed, sir.
is this?
Sir,
Sir,
completed.
Hmm.
sir, completed, sir.
So can you see
Completed?
mine?
Okay, yeah, sure, sure. Yeah, this is propanol, all right. So butanol also. If you have done butanol, have you done butanol?
No, sir.
No, okay, okay. Draw butanol also.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, showing, sir.
Okay. So this is no, right?
Aryan, sir.
No, Abhinav is not showing. Who else is showing? Yeah, Aryan. All right. Aryan CH3 C double bond O CH3. Yeah, it's propanol.
Butanol.
Okay, butanol is CH3 CH2 CO CH3. Yeah, correct. It's butanol. Butanol is correct.
And
Not
propanol
Abhinav.
too.
Propanol also. Yeah,
Sir,
propanol
see,
is
sir.
also correct. Okay, Sumuk, just 1 minute. 1 minute, check. Yeah, Sumuk. CH3, CH2, CO, CH3. Yeah, write the name also, Sumuk. It's correct. Formula structure is correct. You okay? Huria Ishaq is in just 1 minute. Huria. CH3, CO. Yeah, yeah. Just take it a little bit back. I was looking at yours. CH3, CO. Huria, you are showing it correctly. Just show it for 1 minute.
Sir, butanol, sir.
Just 1 minute. Uri, are you showing?
Sir.
Yes. Just one minute, 1 minute. I'm looking at it. So this one is for Aryan, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aryan CH3, CH2, COCH3. Yes, correct. It's butanol, correct. Got it. Okay, I think everyone can make it now. Yeah, it's correct. So I think this ketone everyone can make. Okay, so let's see the next one. Carboxylic acids. The last group which we did was carboxylic acids. These are carboxylic acids. Okay. See, carboxylic acids, they are weak acids, and how they occur, the formula for them is like this: C double bond O, and here instead of H, they have OH. So you can see that it's a combination of something like aldehyde and alcohols, like that. So carboxylic acids. And in short, they are written like this: COOH. Remember, while naming, this carbon is also counted. The carbon of the functional group is also counted. Okay. So now I think you can try to make the structure for methanoic acid and ethanoic acid. So they are named as oic acids. Okay. Try to make methanoic acid and ethanoic acid. Methanoic and ethanoic acids.
Sir, that was only methanoic acid, no, sir.
Which one?
Sir, that formula, sir.
But one of the bond is vacant. So what should be attached over there? What should be
H.
attached over there?
Yes,
H.
sir. One.
Yes. So you should attach over there, and hence it will become HCOOH. Okay, all right. So HCOOH is methanoic acid. Okay. HCOOH. It is the methanoic acid. And for structure will be the same. Just attaching H over here. Right. Draw for ethanoic acid also. Yeah, draw for ethanoic acid.
Sir,
Drawn.
completed.
All right.
Sir, completed, sir.
Okay, show.
So can you see it?
Just 1 minute. Yeah. CH3. Just cross it and remake it. Sumuk, remake it. And who else is showing? Yeah, Aryan. Aryan CH3 COH. Yeah, it's correct. Got it. Aryan. Anyone else who is showing?
Sir,
Okay, Sumuk CH3. No, it's Sumuk. It's COOH. So there has to be another oxygen with double bond. And then count the bonds also.
sir, I was thinking it's a mistake. So
Oh, yeah. It's correct now. Now it's correct. Okay. Anyone else who has made it? Abhinav. All right. CH3COOH. Okay. All right, Abhinav. Dharya, you have not shown. Dharya, Sudhamshu, Dhriti. Yeah, Dharya, Sudhamshu, and Dhriti.
So I've made. Should I show?
Yeah. Dharya, you say you'll send, but you never send. So whatever happens during the class, that is good. You, if you can.
Sir?
Okay, Dhriti. Yeah, just 1 minute. CH3COOH. Yeah, correct. All right. So today we have completed all the functional group. I hope now everyone can make the structures. Okay. So now I think everyone should be able to make the structure of the given compounds. Okay. So let's see further with NCERT what we have. Let's see carbon and its compounds. Mhm. Okay, are your teachers also okay? Then identification of hydrocarbons. That means how can we differentiate between alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes? Okay. So here, let's see how can we differentiate between alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. That is the next topic. Okay, so saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons, we start from here. What are saturated hydrocarbons and what are unsaturated hydrocarbons? Then how we differentiate between them. So saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons with saturated hydrocarbons, right? So saturated hydrocarbons, these are hydrocarbons when there is only single bond between carbon and carbon atom. So all the alkanes, they are hydrocarbons. You see, saturated hydrocarbons like you say methane. So methane is a saturated hydrocarbon. All the alkanes, they are saturated hydrocarbons. Alkanes are called saturated hydrocarbons. Right. So methane, C2H6, ethane, C3H8, propane, all these are alkanes and all these are saturated hydrocarbons. They have only single bond between carbon and carbon atoms. Alright, then we see unsaturated hydrocarbons.
गलत है ना। अगर देखो जो मंत्र लगाना वो भी लगाए और जो वो करना वो भी सही लिखियो। अच्छे से पहले से बात लिखो। क्लियर करो।
Unsaturated hydrocarbons. So what are unsaturated hydrocarbons? The hydrocarbons which have at least one double or triple bond between carbon and carbon. So between carbon and carbon, if there is at least one double bond or triple bond, we call it as an unsaturated hydrocarbon. So that means examples of the unsaturated hydrocarbons would include all the alkenes and alkynes. All alkenes and alkynes, they will be included under unsaturated hydrocarbons. So ethene, propene, butene, all these, they are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Got it? Now, any doubt in whatever we have studied today?
No, sir.
Anyone facing any problem?
No, sir.
No. All right. So we'll continue with the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons in the next class. We'll see their reactions. We'll see how we can identify them. Right. So the saturated hydrocarbons and the unsaturated hydrocarbons. Like if I make an unsaturated hydrocarbon, like if I make C2H4. Okay. So C2H4, you can see it will have C double bond, and 4 hydrogen atoms bonded. So we can see the presence of a double bond, and hence it is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. We can see we can make CHCH or C2H2. So C2H2 has a triple bond between them, between carbon and carbon atom. This is also an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay. Okay, bye everyone. We'll see you again in next class.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.